So we've got Kaylee riding Slim. We've got Laura on her horses from Montana. Barrel racing horses. I guess I should have the beach in the background. All right, and the thing is, you can't run over people. You get deducted points for that. Got to go around the tourists, or otherwise we're in big trouble. Okay, the power plant's back there. You can see the ocean. It's a little foggy today, but it's nice out. Very pleasant. Come on, Kaylee.
What?
So we got Kaylee walking in the water here. It's really nice taking a kid that knows how to ride, because then I don't have to do too much. Laura's up there. More water walking. Just trying to get these horses down here. The Montana horses have no clue what water is. Almost. Oh, she's in it. She's finally. Montana horse is getting ready for the water. Finally. Oh, is she gonna stay? Uh-oh. Let's see. Oh, she did. Good little oak. Look at her. Oh, what a sweetie pie. Okay, I'm sorry this is so bouncy, but we're galloping on the beach. There's Laura. Here's Kaylee. I don't know if I can even get her on the screen. Here we go. There we go. Oh, now we're coming up on some fishermen. So here, can you see us? I don't know. There's Kaylee. Woo! Here we go, we're galloping again. Say hi to the fishermen.
They just like started trotting and like half.
This is so fun. Lily's going for it. Woo! Okay, come on. Good girl. There we go. Oh. Okay, we're galloping through the water again. There's Laura and Oak, and I forgot the other horse's name. And there's Kaylee. A little hard to film and gallop. Whoa! There we go. There's Kaylee. Is she in the shot? I can't even tell. Woo! Okay, this is fun. I got her! Lily! In the water, girl! Woo! There we go! Yeah! Easy, girl. Woo! Woo! Okay, slow down, we got people. People on the beach. We lose points if we run over people. Okay, that's gonna be some crazy videoing. Horsey's totally. Anything to say about beach riding, Laura?
This is great. It's not too hot either.
No, it's perfect weather.
Perfect.
Yeah. Hey, Oak. You get all used to the water. Okay, so how is it, Laura?
You always see people doing this. You need to do it. Don't wait. Come on out. It's so much fun.
Yay! Thanks. And the horsies love it too.
Yeah. You
Don't
cross
you?
it off your list.
Cross it off the bucket list, that's
Cross
it.
it off the bucket list.
The beach ride bucket list.
That's right.
What about you, Kaylee?
It's so much fun.
Yay! All right. Even on a foggy day.
Even on I'd rather have a foggy day.
I know, I think I would too, because it gets really hot out here.
That's miserable.
Yeah. Thanks. Just noticed our tracks behind us. Isn't that awesome? Hoof prints all the way down the beach as far as you can see. Pretty cool, huh?